JC, welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to pick 2 winners to get the 50% off of any order if they order from Tactical Geek. And thanks to Tactical Geek for sponsoring this giveaway. So it's not your traditional giveaway where you get a physical prize. In this case, you can get 50% any order except accessories. And that's a great deal, 50% off. So you can get any of the great pouches and products that they have on the website. All the links are going to be in the description. And even if you don't win, you can get 10% off with my promo code. Check the description for that as well. But right now, we are going to pick 2 winners, and it's very simple. I've got this comment picker loaded up, and I've filtered through the comments and make sure they're genuine and make sure they're subscribers as well. And we are going to pick 2 winners. All right, here we go. So lucky person number 1, it's Rabadaba Do 491. Congratulations, you are one of the winners. So we are going to pick a second winner now. Winner number 2 is Muguglu. I'm sure I pronounced that wrongly, but you are the second winner. So what you need to do is to contact me via email. Check out my profile link for the email, but it's urbaknifeguy@gmail.com. Go ahead, get in touch with me, and I'll get it all sorted. So congrats to you guys, and for the rest of you, there'll be more giveaways, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you soon.